Hey everyone, welcome back to Java Guides. In this video, I am going to share 5 Java free courses available on Udemy. So these, Java free courses, especially for the beginners who wanted to start learning Java programming language. All right. So you know about Udemy, right? Udemy is a platform where you can find courses related to a specific areas, and there are a lot of free courses are available on Udemy, and I found 5 to 6 very useful free Java courses on Udemy, and I would like to share these 5 free Java courses with you guys, so that you can check it out and just have a look into it. There are also top paid Java courses are available on Udemy, and basically the courses on Udemy are very cheap. You can check it out, and you can find the courses in your budget as well. All right, in next video I will cover a top paid Java courses on Udemy. Okay, now in this video we will stick with 5 Java free courses for beginners. All right, great. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first Java free course that I would like to suggest is Java tutorial for complete beginners. Alright, so this is one of the most popular Java free course available on Udemy, and look at here the student enrollment count. Okay, it's almost 1.3 million, and look at here the rating 4.3 plus. Alright, and you can see here the course content. So this course covers almost all the core Java fundamentals. Alright, and this course also covers a collection framework and little bit about Java 8 features, JUnit test, and lot more things. Alright, so this course probably one of the most popular Java free course on Udemy, and I would like to suggest this course for beginners who want to learn a Java programming language. Alright, I will provide a link of these free Java courses in a video description, and you can just check it out. Okay, so this is the first course I would like to recommend. This is the second Java free course that I would like to suggest. So this course is for absolute Java beginners, and this course also covers almost the Java essential and fundamental stuff. And look at here the intermediate. This course covers Java object-oriented programming concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, and a lot more things. It will also cover a little bit about unit testing and the tools like Maven. Okay, so this course is pretty interesting, and you just check it out, and I'm sure that you will get something out of it. Okay, so this is the second course that I would like to suggest you. So this is the third Java free course that I would like to suggest, that is Java database connection, JDBC and MySQL. All right, so if you are planning for learning Java JDBC API, then probably this course is very useful, and this is one of the popular JDBC and MySQL course on Udemy. And look at here the rating 4.3 out of 5, and there are a lot of students are enrolled in this course. This course covers like how to connect to the MySQL database using Java, and it covers CRUD database operations, and how to handle query parameters with prepare statements, and you will learn how to perform stored procedures with JDBC, and you will also learn how to perform blob and glob operations using JDBC API, and you will finally learn how to configure JDBC connection information in external properties file. So this course covers almost all the fundamentals about JDBC and MySQL. Okay, so this is very useful course. Just go to this course and just click on enroll now, and just start the course if you are planning to learn JDBC. Okay, so this is the third Java free course I would like to suggest. Now let's go for fourth course. So Java multithreading. So this is the very useful Java free course available on Udemy, and this course covers almost all the stuff related to multithreading. Okay, so this is the ultimate multithreading course, and this course is freely available on Udemy, and I would like to suggest this course for Java beginners as well as experienced developers, because look at here the course content. So this course covers very interesting multi-threading topics like synchronization and creating and starting threads, multiple locks, thread pools, countdown latches, producer consumers, and deadlocks, how to avoid deadlocks, semaphores, scalable and future, and a lot more things. And at the end you can also get the source code of this course. So very interesting course, just check it out. And the next is practical Java for building projects. So this is very interesting Java course that I found on Udemy, and this is completely free. And in this course you basically create 3 core Java projects, and you will learn object-oriented programming and core Java concept while developing these simple 3 projects. And this look at here the rating also, it's pretty good rating. And look at here the number of students enrolled for this course, and it's just 3.5 hour content, and you can finish it in a 3.5 hours. Okay, so look at here the course content. So basically you will develop 3 core Java projects in this course. You will learn how to build a email administration application, and you will learn a core Java concepts in this project. And look at here student database application. You will build this application in this course, and you will also learn object-oriented programming concepts while developing this course. And look at here new bank account application. It's very interesting course I found on Udemy, and you can just check it out. You will learn how to develop a core Java projects. Apart from these Java free courses, I would like to suggest one more Java free course. That is, this course basically delivers a step-by-step guidance to help you master the core topics and techniques with Eclipse. Alright, if you are not familiar with Eclipse IDE, then I highly suggest you to go through this course. In this course you will learn how to install and how to set up Eclipse in your computer, and how to create a Java application in Eclipse IDE, and how to customize Eclipse user interface, and how to generate Java source code using Eclipse wizards, how to refactor and debug Java source code in Eclipse IDE, how to run JUnit test cases, how to import export projects, how to add external jar files to your Eclipse project, and whole lot of things. You will learn all about Eclipse IDE related to Java projects in this course. Alright, so apart from these 5 Java free courses, I would like to suggest this Java free course as well. Okay, great. I hope you found this video tutorial useful, and if you want me to create one more video tutorial on top Java courses, top Java paid courses on Udemy, let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to create one more video so that it will be helpful for you. Alright, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.